Second question, this is entrance corner. A school collected 2,304 rupees as fees from its students. If each student paid as many pies as there were students in the school, how many students were there in the school? Children, here we have to find square root. Square root. Square root of square root of 2,304. We have to convert this into pies. Here asked pies. So 2,304 to convert into pies. Here we have to write 2 zeros. So then it will become 2,30,400. For this we have to find the square root. You know, children, how to find square roots? See here, square root 230,400. If there is zeros, we take first 10 with 10. 10 twos are 10 3 remainder, 10 threes are 30, 10 zeros are 4, 10 fours are 0. Again 10 table, 10 twos are 3, 10 threes are 30, 10 zeros are 10 fours are. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, it is divisible by 3. So 3 table, okay, 2 table also, 2 ones, 2 ones, 1 remainder, 2 fives, 2 twos. 2 fives, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sixes are 2 twos, 2 eights, 2 eights, 2 ones, 2 fours, 2 fours. So we can take directly 12. 12 are 144. We know, children, To find the square roots of this number, we take one from double. So 10, 2, 2, 12. 12 to the 24, 24 to the 48. So 480. So 480 pies. 480 pies. So this is the answer, 480, option 3. So understood this? Anyone getting doubt? Okay. Next one. Entrance corner. This is entrance corner. Easy. Simplify 256 whole to the power of 3 by 4. We have to simplify this. All right. 256. First, we have to write this 256 as factors. Exponential form. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. How many toes here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 to the power of 8 whole to the power of this 3 by 4. Here we have to know one formula, children. So that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m in 10. That is a to the power of mn. So this is the formula. If there is power whole to the power, we can multiply like this. That is called 2 power 8 into 3 by 4. 4 1s, 4 2s, 2 3s are 6, 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 means 2 2s are 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 2s are 64. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to here. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 2s are 64. 64, option 4. So this is the method of finding this problem. Next, a man plants his orchard with the 729. Ask your, what's your doubt, ma? Amsini, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Ask.
in 15th question, you factorization with 2 na, sir.
Which previous one? This?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 16 square also na, sir.
What?
16 square also na, sir. 256, sir.
Okay. 16 square also. Yes, 16 square also okay. But 16 square. This also okay, no problem. So there is once again there will be a fraction. In that case, we will face some troubles. So see, 2 ones are 2 twos. Again 16 to the power of 3 by 2. What is the answer for this? Understood?
Okay, sir.
That's why we have to take for this finding like this. There is a fraction in that power of any number. In that case, we have to factorize taking small numbers, small primes. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. We will face like this troubles. Okay?
Okay, sir.
See here 16 to the power 3 by 2. We can't get immediately. There is root. Again, we have to factorize this and we can find the answer. There is a root, but not straight. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Next, sixth one, a man plants his orchard with 729 trees and arranged them. Here, not there this 50 children, that there are as many rows as there are trees in a row. How many rows are there? In this also, we have to find the square root of 729. 729, square root of 729. How much? 729. For finding a square root of large numbers, we have to follow like this children. Finding first we have to make that in factorizations. Then we have to find the square root. You know, children. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 1s are. So 9 9s are 3 9. So what is the answer? 3 9s are 27. So 27 is the answer, option 3. Children, you practice again and again these problems. So without practicing, you can't get ideas immediately. Ninth problem, the smallest number by which 9,408 must be divided so that it becomes a perfect square. Also, the square root of the perfect square so obtained is. This question, this is easy. Chapter 7. This is chapter 7, easy. This is also chapter 7, easy. Chapter 7, easy. This is question number. This is practice exercise. Chapter 7, practice exercise. Question number 9. The smallest number by which 9,408 must be divided so that it becomes a perfect square. Also, that the square root of the perfect square so obtained is. So this is not a perfect square. Which number to divide it will be perfect square? We can check. ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ కాదు, మరి దేంతో డివైడ్ చేస్తే పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనం ఇప్పుడు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. First we have to factorize this. 9408 2 table 2 4s 2 7s 2 7s 14 2 0s 2 4s 2 2s 2 3s 2 5s 2 2s 2 1s 2 1s 2 7s 2 6 2 5s 2 2 8s, 2 8s, 2 2s, 2 9s, 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 4s, 2 7s, 5 12, 3 table or 7 table. 3 4s 12, 3 9s, 7 7s. So children, we if we make this pairs 2 2 2 2, for this no pair. So if we divided with this 3, that will be a perfect square. And also we have to find a perfect the square root. Divide and we have to find the square root. 2 into 2, 2 into 2. I am writing this totally, children. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. And this 3, 7 into 7. If we divided this with 3, it will be a perfect square number. Means 2 into 2. These are pairs. Remaining have pairs, children. 2 into 2. 7 into 7. We know the square root of this. We can find square root. In this 2, from this 2, from this 2, from this 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So this is the square root. 56 is the square root. So which number to divide? Which number to we divide with the 3? This is the first answer. We have to divide with the 3. Square root, what is the square root? 56. So 2 answers. First answer, second answer. So 356. 356, option 1. Question number 10. 5,929 students are sitting. So this is question chapter 7. We practice exercise. 5,929 students are sitting in an auditorium in such a manner that there are as many students in a row as there are rows in auditorium. How many rows are there in the auditorium? So this is also, here we also find square root, children. Here we have to find the square root of 5,929. 5,929. For bigger numbers, we know the method to find the square root. So we have to factorize 3 table, 5, 7, 14, 16, 25. This is not divisible by 3 also. Or it is divisible by 18, 5 plus 2, 7. It is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, not divisible by 7. We check with 11. So 18, here 7. So 18 minus 7, 11. So 11 is a multiple of 11 is multiple of 11. So that's why it is exactly divisible by 11. So it is exactly divisible by 11. So now we can find with 11. 11 5s are 55. 4. 11 3s are 33. 9. 33, 8, 11 5s are 55, 4, 11 3s are 33, 7, 9, 11 9s are 99. Next, 11 4s are again 11 table. 11 4s are 44, 9, 44, 6 plus 3, 9, 11 9s are 99. 7 7s are 49. So in this 11, from this 7. So what is the square root of 5,929? So 11 into 7, 11 11s are 11 7s are 77. So option 4. Next question. This is also practice exercise chapter 7. A general arranges his soldiers in rows to form a perfect square. We find that in doing so, 60 soldiers are left out. If the total number of soldiers be 8,160, the number of soldiers in each row are. So the general means high authority of a soldier. I think to make their soldiers as square, perfect square. So there is some soldiers are remaining. How much soldiers? 60 soldiers. So that's why we have to subtract that 60 from this total. If we subtracted 60 from this, we get 0, 0, 1, 8. 8,100. Now we have to find the square root of 8,100. 8,100. So first 10. 10 8s are 80. 10 1s are 10 zeros are. Again 10 table. 10 8s are 10 10 1s are. 9 9s are. So square root of 8,100 is equal to, from this 10, from this 9. 10 9s are 90. So this is the answer, option 1. Twelfth, this is also practice exercise. Third root 1,85,193 is 57. Then the value of this and this and this plus plus plus. First answer given. This is cube root of cube root. First, this given third root of 1,85,193 is given. How much? 57. 57. Next, this second one. Chord root 185,193. In this here we have decimal point, children. Look carefully. So in this, there are we will get 57 only. But where should keep that decimal point? If it has cube root, we maintain. If we have 3 decimal places, we have to maintain 1 decimal place in this result. We have to keep 1 decimal place. ఇక్కడ 3 decimal place ఉంది కాబట్టి రిజల్ట్ లో 1 decimal point ను 1 decimal place ను మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం జీరోస్ పెట్టేసుకుందాం. సో 5.7 57 వస్తుంది. కానీ డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలనేది ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ 3 లో నుంచి ఒక్క డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ ని ఉంచాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకటి వచ్చింది. నౌ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టూడ్ 0.000185193. ఇప్పుడు కూడా 57 వస్తుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 టోటల్ గా 9 డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. 9 డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ 3 ఉంటే బై 3 చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది కదా, 3 డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉంటే బై 3 చేయాలి. 1 డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ ఉంచాలి. 9 ఉంటే 9 by 3 చేయాలి. 9 1s 9 3s 3. We have to maintain 3 decimal places. So a decimal point, 3 decimal places means like this: 0.57. So now we have to add all this. So no need of this 0. This no need. 7 5 7 5 plus 7 12 62.2757 62.757. So option 4. This is also practice exercise. Third root of 1 minus 127 by 343 is equal to third root 1 minus 127 by 343. We have to take the LCM of this denominator. 343 is the LCM. 343 here minus 127. 343 subtract 343 minus 127, subtract 13 minus 7 6 1 3 minus 1 2 216 by 343. 216 we may write like this: square root of a by b is equal to square root of a by square root of b. This is a formula. We can write separately. 216 square root of here, sorry, square root of 216, not cubed root. Cubed root of 216 6. Cube root of 216 6 cube 216. 7 cube 343. So cube root of 343 7. So this is equal to this fraction C1s 1 minus 1 by 7. 7 minus 1, 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 means 1 minus 1 by 7. So option 2 is correct. 12th one, find the least number by which 1,75,760 be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. ఒక 1 minute, less than 1 minute ఉంది. ఇదొక ప్రాబ్లం ను ఆపేస్తాం. రైట్. Children, you have to practice these problems. Without practicing, you can't understood. You can't solve in exam. So is there any doubt? Raise your hands. ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి రైజ్ చేయండి.